So this is the Trix HO scale Bavarian S26 locomotive. It's a 444 wheel arrangement, and it was really purely an experimental loco. Built in 1905, it was designed to go as fast as possible, and set a world record at 96 miles an hour on a 150-ton train. So it's a really interesting project. The model has been released for the 125th anniversary of the Nuremberg Train Museum, Railway Museum. And it features the loco in its semi-streamlined form with the red and green livery. And it's a really good looking thing. You have got the oncoming train light there, controllable separately, as was practice at the time. Got a cabin light, and it's got a huge cab. There's actually 2 fireboxes, so it was felt to keep the flow of coal up to get the speed records. It needed 2 firemen, so there were 2 firebox doors. And you've got the lights on the rear there. Again, the passing train light at the top there, separately controllable. Have metal boiler. I think this is metal as well, the cylinder block. Metal tender. Really nicely done. It does feature a proper cordless motor, so one with a bell-shaped armature, and this gives it a really smooth torque. It's hidden in the firebox and drives through to the back of the main wheels here. This also allows it to have the bar frames that the loco was famous for. So they tried to keep the loco as light as possible to help with the speed records. So the main sound is on function 2. Function 1 operates the smoke generator. There we are. And it's a small Soither unit. Soither. It's a separately controllable function, so it's up to you whether you use it. It's just been fitted. It's quite effective against the dark background. Against a lighter background, you start losing it. Let's turn that off now. Right. There's all sorts of operating sounds on it. So really beautiful, unusual loco as well. I like how they've treated the cab. So they've painted the roof lights. It's not something that happens very often on German locos. So Trix have supplied this plinth with it, with nice rich coloured wood. Just ignore the fact that they've used Marklin track on it. I think they've used the same plinths for both models in the Marklin and Trix range. This is a 2-rail version of the loco.